good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, I'm very happy to present to y'all my 1 year lock journey. Now, of course, I'm not on 1 year right now. Of course, you gotta listen. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Shout out to all the people who doing that, because I am creating a Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Make sure y'all go check out. The Up Next family is basically for everybody who wants to send me their lock pictures, who wants me to react to their lock pictures, whoever asks me questions, whoever shopped the merch. You dig what I'm talking about? The people who support, you feel me? That's what the Up Next family is about. So make sure y'all go join that Discord link if y'all rocking with the kid. All right, so look, we about to hop straight into this. We about to hop straight into this lock journey. 3, 2, 1, boom. Let's hop straight into it. All right, so I know this gonna be crazy. I know this. I'm looking at it right now. I'm like, bro, this is crazy. It's crazy to me because time goes by so quickly. Time goes by so fast. So look, don't give up if you in one of those stages where it's just like, yo, they not looking how I process them to look in my head. Duh. You ain't grown them. You just starting out. You feel me? You gotta let them form. And that's what I love about the lock journey. And I'm just here to tell y'all, man, don't give up. Or you just wanted your hair to be longer. That's cool. That's your why. You feel me? But that's why you have to keep growing your locks. You feel me? So I'm just here to show y'all don't give up. Also, man, I know. Don't worry, man. We're gonna have a little self-grooming video. So make sure I stay tuned for that. All right, so like I mentioned before, man, I created a community for all the people who support, all the people who wants me to. I know a lot of people on Instagram be wanting me to, like, react to my locks, react to this, react to that. So look, I'm creating a community for you guys so y'all can just talk to me, talk to the whole community, and just like be a part of something. You feel me? So, hey yo, link in the description. No trolling. We ain't on that trolling junk. You will get denied. You heard me? But link in the description. Make sure I go join that up. A lot of people, they like to do too much. Yeah, they like to do too much in their lock journey. You feel me? They like to wash their hair. You feel me? They like to wash the starter locks, wash this and that. Man, look. Stop doing too much. Okay, just you see what I just did right there? I just took a deep breath. Sometimes in life you gotta breathe, you feel me? See, that's why I don't go to the locticians like that. Like, I go to the loctician like every 3 to 4 months. I'm gonna let my hair breathe. I'm gonna let my scalp breathe. It's not gonna be all that tension in there every single week. Some of y'all probably get y'all hair done every month. You know what I'm talking about? But it's not that serious, man. Just breathe. You hear me? All right, man. So y'all basically seeing these pictures, man. Y'all seeing like boom, boom, boom. That's me. You feel me? That's what timing it was. Look, getting closer to the year part. You know, year mark. It's time to start styling your locks. It's time to put your locks in a ponytail, 2-strand twist. My favorite style is a 2-strand twist. We're gonna get more into that later on in the video. But this is the time, okay? It's time. It's time, bro. It's time to turn up. So you getting closer to that year mark. Time to style your locks. I'm gonna show y'all a couple styles, you feel me? Couple you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, man, so it's time to put that ponytail up. You dig what I'm talking about? It's time to get you a little retwist every now and then. You might look, I'm rocking the fro. I'm rocking the fro. Ain't nobody pointing it out. I'm rocking the fro. It looked like your boy had a retwist in my 3 to 4 months. I'm rocking the fro. So when I tell y'all about this, I really did this. You know what I'm saying? I'm 4 years in. I really did this. Okay? So so another retwist just in the front of the hair. You know what I'm talking about? It looks amazing. It looks amazing. Same thing, man. 3 to 4 months for a retwist. Limit your dye use. Limit your product use. Limit all that. Just what I tell y'all. Stop doing too much, right? I told y'all stop doing too much, and I just think I know it said 20%. That's how I be rocking sometimes. Look, man, this is when your locks begin to drop. You dig what I'm talking about? Like around that little 6 month to a year mark. You get what I'm talking about? That's when they start to drop. So that's why I keep trying to tell y'all and express to y'all. Y'all can see like build up in my locks. You dig what I'm talking about? Y'all can see build up in my locks. That's from me doing too much. So I'm not preaching to y'all something that I don't do or I haven't done. That's why I told y'all want to learn from my mistakes, okay? This is why I'm coming out with products. This is why I'm doing all these things. This is why I'm creating content so y'all can learn from my mistake. And it's all love. I love y'all because y'all like the video. Y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all stay watching the videos. It's all love. I stay creating content for y'all. It's all love. And it's cool not to get a haircut every week or two. It's cool. It's cool. Man, look, I'm about to put y'all on so much game in the next video. That's why I really want y'all to stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post. The next video I'm gonna put out is gonna be like a little self-grooming video. You get what I'm saying? That you can do at the crib. You ain't even gotta go to the haircut barbershop spot that week. You know what I'm saying? Or the second week. Cause you gonna rock the up next satin line beanie and you gonna get your little facial hair right. You feel me? With your little clippers. You dig what I'm saying? But stay tuned for that. Alright y'all, so moving on to the year or a year and past damn mark. You dig what I'm talking about? Year, you know what I'm saying? So you feel me? Like, hey, just going crazy, you know what I'm saying? So around this mark, your locks gonna begin to drop. They gonna go crazy. They gonna look crazy, you know what I'm talking about? This is when you start rocking your 2 to 3 strand twist. Cause right now I'm in the 3 strand right now. But this is when you start rocking your 2 strand twist. You feel me? You rocking it everywhere you going out, boom. You eating, boom. You know what I'm saying? You got the 2 strand. Oh my God, how does your hair do that? You know, how natural like this, you know what I'm talking about? So, oh my God, I love your beanie. It got silk on the inside. Dig what I'm talking about? That y'all gotta be talking y'all junk when y'all outside, man. Come on, man. Talk your stuff. Be confident. That's all I'm saying. And this is a little bonus for everybody who lasted like you know what I'm saying, towards the end of the video. That I appreciate y'all. Get you a 2 to 3 strand twist while you get your block retwist. The reason I say that is because when you have your hair in these forms, these types of styles, it make your retwist last longer. You get what I'm saying? So that's just gonna help you out. That's just basically that extra $20 or however much that loctician charging for that service. That just gonna save you on an extra month. You get what I'm saying? You can. I'm gonna say, look, by like the 3rd month, I'm gonna undo my strands, and I'm gonna just rock out. And it's gonna be curly, and it's damn near gonna be like a fresh retwist. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna keep it all. I'm gonna start recording everything. Goddamn. I'm gonna stay recording everything. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. I appreciate y'all for, you know what I'm saying, just being here. You know what I'm saying, just being here with me. You know what I'm talking about. So make sure I hit that like button. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications. Don't forget, man. Don't miss out. When it sells out, it sells out. I don't know when the satin line beanies are coming back, but they're gonna sell out again. Alright, so don't forget to go cop yours. First link in the description, upnextlifestyle.com. Go get your Up Next satin line beanie. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.